Are you looking to make dinner that is easy and, of course, tasty in your own kitchen in record time? Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we have an easy and delicious recipe for you with Hamburger Veggie Rice Casserole. So let's get started. Let's cook the rice. Feel free to use your favorite rice. Now let's prepare the ground beef. Let's add the veggies. Time to build the dish. Set your timer for 20 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Ground beef originated in Persia over 2,000 years ago, spread throughout Europe. German immigrants brought the hamburger steak to the United States during the late 19th century. Hamburger steak evolved in what we know today as the hamburger. Meat grinders made ground beef widely accessible. Today, ground beef is one of the most consumed meats worldwide. This casserole looks great right out of the oven. Complete the dish with chopped parsley. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get a portion of this Hamburger Veggie Rice Casserole on a plate. Add a little bit more chopped parsley if you like. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this casserole is the ultimate comfort food that's budget-friendly and, of course, delicious. The combination of ground beef, fluffy rice, veggies, and cheese creates a very wholesome meal. You and your guests will absolutely love it. Leave a comment and or question below. And, of course, the complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like dinner's ready and in record time. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.